Welcome back. Back on the Maverick today. So as you can see, the bar we did on the last episode. So now it's all about these things. Getting this right.
Couple of swing arms.
Couple of swingies. So I went down to Huntsman. We bought these prefabbed jerry can holders. Huntsman and Carrum Downs, Huntsman products. I reckon check them out. They're good value for money. So that cost me $40.
Cash.
It's all matte. It's all fabbed up. You can get them powder coated. I just went raw because we're going to start welding on them and everything. So plus they'll match the paint when I paint it. And then I got myself some jerry cans. I went red because Reds
go faster.
Red goes faster.
Yeah.
That's right. So yeah, so now we're going to make these arms and go from there.
Gonna go a couple of shorties on the arms too. Not full length, so we don't have a dicky bit of box hanging out. So a little bit of style to it as well. It'll be nice. Style.
That's what it's like for 3 hours.
That's exactly right. That's why we wear these. For everyone that shoves them in your ear, just putting them in, twist them up first.
And then they go like this.
And then chuck them in.
They got this in there.
And then you can hear yourself think. Have we got anything we can put underneath the other side?
Yeah.
Oh! Darn it!
Right, let's have a looky. Hang on, let me find the 0.1. There it is. 0.1. 0.5. We get on here. 0.1. Sender.
0.1. Those plates are pretty good on there then.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. Tack her up.
What's your eyeballs?
Sweet as a nut, mate.
First one's done. I reckon I'm going to end up cutting too far in. No, that's the grinder.
Well, don't cut into it.
Well, how am I going to... Look at the angle.
Yeah, we'll cut it from the other side.
What, just flush?
Yeah. Just knock the top off.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. Knock the top off.
Yeah.
Then you've got an angle to come in on.
Oh, then I
just
can go...
grind back a little bit. Squish. Squishing your butt.
Power boys.
Ah. Who stole that?
Oh. It's got a bit of bite to it when you do that. Oh yeah, no worries, boys. I'll just... it's all good. I'll get it done. Shit.
You go the other way around, you dangerous man. Going to see where we want to put these jerry cans, what looks good, whether you go side or centre of the door.
I'm thinking...
Come in a bit for the light.
I'm thinking like...
Pretty cool there. You can see your tail light pretty easy. That's less than the other way.
That's the other way.
This arm can be flat on the bench. These can sit flat, tack it off on here, and that way it'll be nice and square.
There you go, right. We've got a plate.
Sick. Light. Tack it off, sand it up.
Yep.
So, I've cleaned off the oil on this. I'm going to get a little something here, which you guys need to do. Copper weld through primer. This is metal based, so you can weld. If you're going bare metal on bare metal, copper coat it. That'll save it from rusting out. Gotta shake it up first. Little bobblehead.
Yeah. Alright. Quick test spray. Oh yeah, look at that. Hey? Alright, as you can see, have a look at the back of this. So Ryan's braced it up because we had a bit of wobble before. So you can just think on a corrugated road, this thing would have been just bouncing all over the place. So we've added them, and inside here, we've added a brace in here as well, which just stops it, giving it that down movement. So that's, I could literally jump on that and it will not move. Now,
What's on fire?
oh no, I was cutting.
Oh, it's the sparks on it, great.
So now I've made this plate up here, which is going to stop the swing arm from going too far and hitting the door. So we'll find a spot down here, we'll line this up straight, we'll tack weld that to there, and then it will stop where that is. And then we can put the lock on and lock it up. That's it. Look at that.
That's pretty sick.
Yeah, and wait until I put the rubber in it.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's mint,
Gives
bro.
do a push on it. Let me see what it's like.
Oh, fuck. Man, I've got to get in the car. That's strong as now. Yeah.
How good's the little short arm too?
Yeah, it's
No
good.
like excess box. So the short arm is where your job finishes. Cut it off. Seen a lot of cars rolling around where they got this big piece of box coming out here and it just looks crap. Doesn't look good at all. So when this one gets done, wherever that frame will finish to, box will be cut off. You want your stuff to look good.
All right, so Jerry side is done. So this is Jerry holder here.
Who can drink 20 litres of diesel without dying?
I reckon you could do that.
Oh, Jerry can.
That's it. So yeah, that's it. Done the lock down the bottom. We've had to move the plate, obviously. So we put it in the center because our spare wheel is actually going to be a bit higher and tilt back a little bit. So in the center, it's going to work. But yeah, onto the spare wheel now, and we'll get that done.
Yeah, yep. Spare wheel bracket. I think we're gonna come up a bit. What are you thinking? Kink it back a little bit?
Yeah,
Match
just a
this
touch.
angle?
Yeah, match the angle.
Be pretty sick.
Yeah, and that's it.
Good.
So the idea, what we're going for, is on the GQ Patrols, the back window leans forward, so it goes straight and then leans forward. So our idea is to make the spare wheel lean with the window. So if you have a look down the line, you'll see it's leaning with it. Yeah, so that's the idea that we're going to do, is just make it lean with the car, because I think it just looks better. What do you reckon?
I reckon it looks sick.
Yeah,
Yeah, and then it pokes the bottom out a bit more to kind of be level,
yeah,
just shy of the Jerry's.
yeah. All right, so this is round, that's square. So we notch it here so we can weld to it. Bloody beard them up. Couple of days, mate. Couple of days.
All right, so here we're shooting a laser. You probably can't see it in the sun all that good, but there's a line. We're going to go to the center of this bolt hole, and then that will project through down to our center point here on this bar. So we can work out how high we can come, how far we're going to kink it back, where we can have the kink point. And this here, this is the old wheel holder, so we'll use that. We'll show you as we build it how we're going to design it. But having this set up as well, this can give us the angle that we need, 17 degrees. So at 17, that's how much we want this to kink. So work our center line, and then we can work off the center line for the rest. 17 degree kink. So
Yeah.
our tube bender doesn't bend a full 180. So we've done 290, what did we do, 75?
We do 275s, cut them down to suit. So we cut them down to bring it in a little bit, which makes a very sexy hoop.
Yeah, quite
Now
nice.
what we've got to work out is, because we're going to go straight up.
Work out our
and
kink
then-
point.
Yeah, and then we're going to lean it towards the glass, like I said, because the GQs have the lean. So we want to replicate that with the wheel.
Yeah.
So now that we just got to measure up and see where the bend's going to start and where the bend's going to finish. And then Australian made.
Australian made. So
Day for it.
our kink point is actually here.
Yeah.
That's where the door starts coming back. So if I eye that up,
Just go.
I'll just chuck that there, just a little right here. And that's our center point. We
Is
can
that-
work out from there.
Yeah.
Sweet. Because we're kinking this backwards, this should be coming about, it's not turned on, but 90 degrees from the table. And we want to be able to put that on there at 90 degrees. Then that way we know when we bend this back and then flip it over the other way, it's going to be an equal bend backwards and the degree pitch isn't going to be off. 17 degrees. Are we ready this time?
We're on.
Are we ready? We're on. We got power, we got gas.
Righto, mate. Oh, she got hot.
Ooh.
Give her
Yeah.
another one.
I need a bit more wire speed, but all right, we'll get another one.
Give her another one.
Oh yeah, that's burning straight down the top. The laser's set up center here, set up to that line, and then
Yeah.
we're up center here as well. So we'll tilt that forward away from here, so we've got a little bit of clearance on that wiper. Tack it off, and then we're good to weld it and chuck that spare wheel mount on. Hold my pace.
Oh. What am I doing?
Holding this.
Oh. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Hold on. Oh. I reckon I'm a better singer than Will.
I reckon.
Yes.
Oh, I don't know about that. So,
How's the chuckle on the cameraman?
our cameraman,
Nah.
for those that don't
I
know,
do weddings come.
He's,
I do weddings, man.
he's a musician, our cameraman.
Oh yeah, he plays the.
It's going to pop up my
So
as a plug.
just so you know,
Yeah.
guys, Will behind the camera is a musician. He plays the triangle.
Oi, it moved your job.
I made myself.
Ah, you just completely moved
I
it.
made myself laugh. Ting.
Oh, nah, it's done. Done.
What have you done?
You've wrecked it.
Nah, it's all good. About there, man.
About there.
I have relationships with women and sex with men.
And I got news for you. That means you're gay.
Down a bit. Yeah, you grab one side.
Alright, where am I?
Line it up.
Oh,
No, you gotta come down. There you go.
oh, fuck, without the car dropping in.
Big boy.
It's done. Boom.
Good.
Check it out. So that is the bar fully done. So first episode was just the bar without the accessories.
Actually, there's one thing.
What?
Nice little thing that Anthony added.
Oh, yes. Yes, I do.
Strut.
Strut. Check it out. Boom. Strut. So did that so like when you're on a hill, it won't shut on you. And it stays in one position, doesn't move around. So it's good. But yeah, I'll do that to the other side as well. Haven't done it this side yet. But that's her, 35 on the back. Yeah, that's it. We
Jerry
did it on
cans.
the angle.
On
Jerry
the angle,
cans,
the tilt.
twin Jerry's.
The tilt's nice. It just adds a nice
Tilt's
little
nice.
touch instead of being plain and straight.
Yeah, yeah. So the plan was going this high. I do want to run some max tracks down the bottom of it. And happy days. I reckon it looks awesome.
Yeah, it looks sick.
Yeah.
I'll froth it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It looks unreal.
Change the whole back of the car.
Yeah.
Gives it a good ass hand.
Don't forget, like, subscribe, do everything you can because we are running out of cash.
Yes. Nah, give us a follow, like the videos, drop a comment if you're enjoying. Give us a sub. Help bump it up. We've got a lot of videos to come.
Hey, and you know, if you're at home and don't have a welder and stuff like that, we do this for people as well. So reach out, throw us a message or whatever, and we can build you some sliders, rear bar, whatever you want.
Yep,
Yeah,
we're Vic based. So if you're in Vic and you want something made, we'll do it.
Yeah, let us know. Cool.